day 26 of our mental health challenge, episode 10 of how to add your background music to your video. Now join me, let me show you how to do that in Filmoria. Welcome back. I said I'll be showing you how to add your background music to your videos. Now first of all, where do we get our music from? And there are two sources where we can get it from. Either we import it from our system or we use their templates. Now when I say import from your system, so probably I've downloaded the music that you want to use in a video. So all what you have to do is just to import. And how we can do that is, first of all, you click on this your media panel. When you click on this your media panel, you say import media. Then click on import media. So probably you downloaded it to your music. So you just go to your music and just select the folder, select this and import. So now see the audio here. Now don't forget what I told you to place your audio, which is your audio one. Then you just click on it, then drag to where your audio one is. Then you have successfully imported your audio to your timeline. Now this is the first step of now this is the first way you can import your audio into your timeline. Now before we go into how to adjust this, let me show you the second way you can import an audio into your timeline. The second way you can get your background audio is to use their template. So just I don't know if you can see this audio here. Yes, just click on the audio. Then just when you click on the audio, so presently you can go to music and just go through it and select what you're looking for. That is another way you can do it. So they made it easier for you. So they sorted everything out for you so that to be easier for you to select from depending on the kind of video you want to work on. So now let's say if it's motivational, you can get and sometimes before you select the music, you need to also consider how people will feel, what kind of video, what kind of feeling you're trying to pass across as people are watching your video. Let me show you the audio that I use for my videos, which is this, and I've already saved it. I added it to my favorite. That I will not be searching for it every time. I can easily just go to this mine here, then favorites, then I can look for it. It's here already. So that is just one of the easiest ways to just walk around your interface to avoid spending so much time editing. So you just click and drag, so you can just place it anywhere you want to place it on your timeline. So this is it. So this is the first way that you can import your background audio to your timeline, and this is the second way you can import your background audio to your timeline. Now, let me delete this. Let's use this first one and work. Now, when we are talking about background audio, we are looking at something that will help your video out. Not we don't want people to listen to music. We want people to feel your video. That's why they call it background video. It's not something that is meant to overshadow the person speaking or overshadow what people are watching. So now, I think the best I can suggest to you is to use between um your volume should be your background volume can go don't forget what I told you. If you want to adjust anything on your timeline, just click on it, then automatically this your adjustment layer will show you different options that you can work with. Either the speed, if the video is if the audio is too fast, you can just work on it. Either you reduce the speed or you increase the speed. So then this your audio. This is your audio now. Let's work on this audio now. Probably this audio is too loud. So if I should add if I should add any video here now, it's going to overshadow the video that I want people to watch. So people will not be able to understand the message that I'm trying to pass across if the background audio is too loud. So now, how do we fix that? We can just go here and see and just reduce it to I think anything from minus 25 to minus anything from minus 25 to minus 35 is good for you. You can walk around that range if you're looking for background audio. So something like this is good enough. It's good enough. So another way you can reduce this, you can just this line that you're seeing here now, just over your mouse, just over your mouse around it. This line, click on it, then either you increase or you reduce. That's another way you can do it. Don't forget to always walk around -25 to -35 for your background audio. That is just the most important thing here. So let's leave it here. Then another way you can do this, you can just go here, click. Probably you know what you're looking for. You can just type the number -25. Automatically to just do that for you. Then another thing that I want you to understand here is that when it comes to audio, you need to understand how to fade in and fade out. Basically, if you want to fade in your sound now, if you want to fade out or fade in your sound, let's work on fading now. So you can just, I don't know if you can see this this thing that looks like dots here. Just hover your mouse around it, then just click on it and just drag it automatically. That is fading. The same thing is here. Click on it and drag it in. That is fade out. That is fade out. So another way you can do this is go to your adjustment layers. Your adjustment layer, sorry. Go to adjustment layer. Then just go down. Just keep going down. Then I don't know if you can see this fade in, fade out, fade in, fade out. So you can just increase. It shouldn't be too much. Increase. And yes, see the effect here. And see the effect here. So that is just what I wanted to show you today. How to import your clips, how to manage the volume of your sound, and how to fade in and fade out your audio. And yeah, that is what I wanted to show you today. So in summary, if this video helped you, don't forget to follow along and I will see you tomorrow.